Hello everyone, welcome to Don T. Osas YouTube channel. Sandra Agbogun don come. She don't come and respond to wetin about Obaze talk. So not be me go tell una, I will leave una more watch the video. More enjoy the video.
Ibi do nous sommes wa bebe de kai. E France Sandra Agbogun keke be France abat. Ti buware. Iga ege na kubeya we video ni no ya gwa ka eni mage e cafe osa. E ni do gwa do tago na ni emiwe. Akobe ale ya bebe ya sumajo me na egwe no hia no ya we. E ni do gwa do agona ni emiwe. Abati na wa gege wa va megbe. Ona ye me ni ma obo we ona kwa yo megbe. Se bo ya gi tiele bo mo tago na we. We me na we na vote do ba seki ye na ya vote de do ba. Abati na gege wa ona va megbe na kwa ni ma obo we ona kwa yo megbe. Eke na ya mo me media. Oba no rekete ogun ya gwa we ni ya so ani ko ya isufa no ni win no dole doji. Ali me no ateke ge sadoka no ge do tawe ona mase emi ni me ni ya eti be ya support yan ele ere no be ro mu itane no eke na wu iye kape manager imaka pe median in the PVC me ni aya vote no mane go ne mu e de ne dere abat we will not say na we live video because ele ga defoane e mo wa no nya egbe balon e bi mo ni go tell me no ma take me ta o si e na we live video ko record e iwe ni edit e me no mama no we ni afun le kwa o wa e wuta lo gbe gugu agwa ge ni we live video agwa no ma no ga record e we no wa make na edit e because e ya iwe e live video so we e no bugo o ga dey to record e we to bo we akpe o ti make mu ati ye iwe yes so uru e wa the live video age we ta o da lele we ta oni bo o we ma je school abat Oma, so ko pa no e drama ni you, e script ni ya ni na bat, o wo bu meti e do abe ya gbon. Iwa me ni so abat o wo bu me gbon. Abat. O ha ni niye, uzo be ro, e iro, o fe ro, o fi to ro. O, do wo je school. O ba ta yin de, e wa ta wo ba de. Onyi mo ma, aya ha awo ma no ma de. Who just who me be? Oh, no man, yes, we tell it better on the wet tag. Oh, I tell you, who tag it, don't tell it, oh, we are for that matter. Oh, I tell you, men are who, and who just were bat. Kinek Wenia, I didn't know no just who say na. Anyone just who's up, but I'm going to give my own video. You may understand. Who just who? I did get him and just who ya ni, Bosaloba Majo. On my young ya will be my images. So, Papa no mia, a conductor or rebona, a big rebona, a shoemaker rebona, a mini boomy rebona, and mia bats. Everybody's useful to the society. Who say many managers who need, who say, Imagui, a young with baby. Who gave it out, or my other venue with female waiting a saka with the Imabacobe with baby or make a woman mima. How about they can name no one when I'm in do we baby no na mi ma desye ke no na mi ma bat ti masaka bat eri ma de akaba ma no na toba gun no na pe ba gun owo ko ne rogodo we fi we yo abat o da fi be we ni ya o we ba bi me ya o tun ye ne de be fi we yo e gbo momo akobe na ene era no be ni industry 20 years of bana bi wuna me na ni wuna iye tun eni akobe iye tun ye tikele he brought me up, he taught me a lot of things on man be industry na bi esilima e drama ni ma wo so man ni ma ba le ti an ege abi man ni like akobe bo we ti me si baba ni aya bi lo to wa o genta o we ti an ma be gege iya ya bi na social media eti ma ya sanka ona ma se no si bi ne social media. When we give a more time and here the barrel Italian, been a mad about in no way. Where if we are and we think the way time we are sanka. About a whole be away, or who were here your wife. Where you get it in and we think do now. And there were I said over the year. Where a do I with him do, even your with me, you by go walking with. It don't sound answer. Agwa lebe na ya epe ni filme do e na be mo like DSTV. Agwa na ya ni do we wa bring it down. Amo pa wa we ni we fi pe ya boya. Akobo wo agbo to we campaign. About Michael face campaign. O yogi ya boya de campaign. Mete we go we no baseki. Mete we to campaign. Let me shock you. Tu ulewu ne. About tu ulewu no baseki. E do ri ayi na wa. About e to campaign mana to destroy me now again. Area we campaign no. Many man we feel begging we feel na. Well man ya vote na about. Woman man no ma vote na. In the PBC you man ya vote na. Now, let me tell you one thing on Winano Baseki. Because he talk less. Yani Shaibu. He talk less and he do more of actions. We social media. You are not getting anybody for Obaseki. Instead, you are driving people for Obaseki. But then I don't mind. Unime no ye Shaibu who were for the day. Unime na unina. You have everybody is entitled to their own opinion about Imawe campaign of the Mauno, Imam supported them, supported them, and then they say a vote. And don't we know how is the way not to me? In the night, wait, no, the here, or we young one make me, who do not how is the day way. If you know why you make and we will get pena, or must say no, ye one, or must say, and then not when you are a combination or say. Or my when I was sick. When I worked, tired of my old, but I even my based on what's in my knee. Or I'm not documenting with Katayotogo. He will use it against you. It will about to long way. Later, women are invited to life and say, marry when they speak to women women. Or maybe in the J in a invited way. Okay, maybe as your younger sister or as anything at all. About to marry Daddy, one of the time in social media. When I are gearing. We invite when people marry, they speak to women. About if not about dinner, we will where the old word of war. And then I tell a lad and although what can they be every day, or see but when I know Yakum and baby, or when not time we will wherefore. And then now, I never did not wake here about any man Akabama. Unity no ni. Worebwe wosi one potiti or yetiti nyanya. Ye ya loge na oda bo eminaike oyo majana. Wa miamia no nyise. O mana ti ye for ragbo ile ga yewe. Emina ko aro. Ana fi gbe so eli no rese so ni oto dede. Abat. Nyonyinesi no give we ya lode. Udawe ipi ya utole. Election na fo ala ye mi egbe do we ka tell video ni oni we na do aya ke nyenye na do the election ya mu egnya because for 8 years or afo it already everything come and go so it no matter with life after election or no matter don't know my agent now we love your neighbor as yourself about what are you doing. I don't get it up parodiary way. Eko abalo ni we na kweni. Is it that Emmanuel and Ogunya Goa? My anyway female about in case you don't know, Ima take the man. Manasi Koko. Because we are a mirror to the world, Zeli Munani Mamuna. Manawe no Maropa, Nella, Wewe, Edian Ege or Edian Ege. Mahomani Mahave be voting and ready about. Oh, Tamima. Again, a Sumario, Ima Sigma, we na Sumario. And nobody has violated that. About when no money dictionary na about everybody doctrine mana. Now we feel begging and we campaign no one about. Why they do like this? We might in way about Bakobia way in your way. Una is social media. Bakoberi, a boat and not man. So we do when ya about me nyako benani batata we would that bat when get a boat and not in my bat. Where one will they go? Where was so about? Abu so be I cannot make it ever go. Abat, I have not come to insult you. No, because he got your body nowhere. I have come to plead with you. Please go back to that same social media and tell them get to ban away, get to van a baby no go measure because the man no see not even made that video. La about Imako no so go e ko we dia o na teke no gwalela ede about 20 years ye gbelu na na imani pele mo bia ari oba no ma ete no mo go me de about na o wo e da ni mai ami e wo me muda we female ni ya we ni amo side ya na wo ya ta mi ya we imani mi ni o we mako no so go we ta ko be di ne so ma gi na ba baro mani e lu ta we ma ko baro mani ti me do tam when I will not have no way iro mani akobe ma ya na ya suma. I want you to go back to the world that your same platform and yawe esadaro o ma ya na suma about akobe ma we campaign video o ma campaign no baseke o ma campaign ze ya mu o ma individual person or we video na wo I want you to go back to that same social media tami yawe to bari aba to bale u fime ne ye we ya mo side about la wo imane ni you we about o hanene right ti ige e ko struggle ne life ne to earn a living about we I me be cool no matter that about what you that you do we go along we dey we about in the whole of my lifetime what I have worked for is my name and that name you have dealt it. I have done nothing wrong to you about again na we it we we are in the but when I buy the about even when I be you we are with me when you are here we are see when you are here o wa no me ku when you are o wa boya fe no yiro webo ke no ro wa ke no le webo when you are here fi me na about they know when you are the one have been here me about we be na ye ku we are here that you no re obiedo if you do what kuna go me listen to this matter we not funny o bros la o e ma do tie bon when o kaka bo dame de no ya ye lai because e video di gay e mi a fe no ta on dame ma de yo se na ko na nice o kabe so I really want to be kuna about this when they go guy they what we talk about will that make you happy when I'm hungry will that make you happy about now everywhere all the platforms and the YouTube e ya perfect the picture ko be ari ga bien e video ni e voice zero me me be bishi me we bani akobe Sandra Agbogun me more understand I'll try to think e no can me the video ni be no ya kan me about we ba ya se le yen wo ka be ye jo la wo ya yen about this is what I want you to go back to that social media and tell them that I am not a party to everything that you are saying, that I'm innocent. We be by ya we go ya no e ti we be about anyhow any ya te no le dey ati agba o go be no ila le mi we na mo dey so please bros abeg you go yin am e ti no ti e go no na ti e go no say dey go back to that place and head them the Sandra no whatever go and clean my name the name no go ya part they go make it okay now go and tell them that I'm innocent wa wu we about any ya te no le dey ati agba o bi ba ya efefe e ti o sa lo bua no ji ma gbogbo about or no we umana be wu about iye te me ni ya ita ma we yin na ko pa ni si we ye e ma ye ti e bo mo ni e wo but if you refuse to do it I will come out and tell you what to do one west e fancy ne ala le ye ne e fancy about wa ko ne bo yin ma papa ti na ki me ni wa party ye to we ale on election ale ya so di na ere la jade ni be to amu me ni to aka we ti ama ti ama e no ba ta ne le gwa e me ni san do ka ni na la we e ti ama so ti ama se wala o ni to yin ya part ni be yi wa no de ba me yin ya part to ya ni me ni ma me bi we ni ma ka pe no wa wa ge la ti we e yo no ye tin wala o especially if followers about abeg I no do about anything ya wa we say about when why the men why they show me why one now worry because one egbe in 1000 we say no ya no say ki jena and you dey no mo neri o ma say ki kede we say ye ne woni bu wado etene ya woni bu wado iyo ba say ki e aba say ki do no about pa e government ma ya fe no iyo ye no wala o go no gene ni about we ma ni imane ni we o ma ko o ya ne iyo bi o ma pa I did a movie for the youth, for peace to reign, that they should not fight. At the end of the video, I prayed and I advised people to please stay calm. I pray seriously, to the best of my knowledge, I think I am working for peace to reign in Edo State. And in this election, I am working for peace. So that video did not go viral because it was good. Now, I will put the link on this video. I will attach the link to it and see what I did for this election. While if your plan was here, was see what we making an Nigome, making an one adult school, making an one adult school, making an joke. So when I Messi go back to school, he make a night young one and make a night young baby no we are bat and make a night large baby with panel. Thank you so much. Thank you. I remain your loyal girl, your humble girl. Thank you. I appreciate you all. God bless you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Please share this video. Thank you. Thank you so much. I love you all.